Fantastico Beats.
What's good? What's goody? What's happening? It's your boy Ben, and don't forget Tastico. Right now, I'm currently in my beautiful hometown, Benin, and today I'm about to take y'all inside of a beautiful little bar and hotel called Le Corail. Come take a look. Right now, I'm about to take y'all inside to give y'all a little look.
C'est à toi, tu peux lire. Yeah, bad.
As y'all can see, man, it's a dope little spot. Le Corail, man, you can come here. Whatever you need food, you need drink, you can come here and buy it. Dope little hotel, dope little bar. Beautiful little spot in Benin. So if anybody coming to, or wanting to come and visit Benin, definitely come here to Le Corail and tell them Fantastico sent you. You heard? Oh, but
Fantastico Beats.
Yeah, man.